Noong September 17 ay naibahagi ni Yasmin Curdy sa kanyang Instagram page, ang ilang photos at videos habang nasa emergency room kasama ang panganay niyang si Ayesha, na dinala sa ospital dahil sa matinding stomach pain, pagsusuka, at dehydration. Naiyak sa tuwa ang anak, nang malamang makakauwi na siya, matapos ma-hospital. My daughter Ayesha suffered from stomach pain, vomiting, nausea, dehydration, dry skin, and appeared pale. Initially, we feared it might be food poisoning, inflammation, or dengue, especially given how common dengue is these days. However, after several tests, we learned that the real issues were irregular meal times, dehydration, and stress from school, compounded by her lack of sleep to finish her schoolwork. This experience highlights the importance of taking care of our bodies and mental health to avoid physical discomfort. Remember to eat on time, drink plenty of water, and relax. Huwag talaga magpapalipas ng gatam. Eat the meals and snacks your moms prepared for school. Stress-free is the best way to be. Chill, kids.